Bageshwar Dham Chief Pandit Dhiren Shastri made a strong statement during a Shri Ram Katha in Gondia, Maharashtra. He said he is ready to sell his kidney to stop religious conversion. Shastri explained that money received from religious events is not used to build temples but to build hospitals. He said poor people should not be forced to convert religion for medical treatment. He also mentioned the situation of Hindus in Bangladesh and spoke about alleged atrocities against them. His statement created a stir among followers and on social media. Supporters praised his intentions while critics called it an emotional remark made during a religious gathering. In Betul district of Madhya Pradesh, two youth were arrested for burning saffron flags on Friday night. The incident took place in the Ganj police station area. The accused allegedly set fire to flags placed outside houses and along roads. After receiving information, police acted quickly and caught both youth. Around 10 burnt flags were recovered from the spot. SP Virendra Jain said the accused were identified using CCTV footage from the area. The incident caused anger among local residents. Police said strict action will be taken against anyone trying to disturb social harmony. Further investigation is underway to know the motive behind the act. On January 11th, Madhya Pradesh will witness two major political events. The Congress will take out a Nyaya Yatra in Indore against the contaminated water issue. At the same time, Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav will launch the Agriculture Welfare Year 2026 in Bhopal. A massive rally of around 1,101 tractors will be organized near the Kokda RTO office. Farmers across the state will participate. The Chief Minister will flag off the rally. A large farmers' conference will also be held at Jambori ground. The state government aims to focus on farmers' welfare throughout the year 2026. Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav launched Lokpath 2.0 during a state-level PWD program at Ravind Bhavan, Bhopal. The program focused on digital innovation and capacity building of engineers. Lokpath 2.0 is a new mobile app that will help citizens monitor road maintenance and register complaints easily. It also provides route planning, black spot alerts, emergency SOS facility and information about roadside services. The Chief Minister said earlier government did not use technology properly. Short films showcasing the department's achievement over 2 years were also shown. The app aims to improve road safety and transparency in public works. 6 cows were found dead at the Municipal Corporation Gaushala in Arvalia area of Bhopal. After the incident, members of Hindu organization created a protest. They filed a complaint at Eid Kheri police station. The organization alleged negligence by corporation staff and claimed cows were starving and eating mixed fodder. Leader of Vishwa Hindu Parishad and Bajrang Dal said the death happened due to carelessness. They reached the Gaushala late at night and found the main gate locked. They demanded strict action against those responsible. Police have started an inquiry and the municipal corporation has also been asked to submit a report. A major water pipeline burst occurred in Bhopal's 11 number area on Friday morning. The Narmada pipeline leak caused a water fountain rising nearly 20 feet high due to heavy pressure. Large amount of water were wasted and several nearby houses were flooded. Roads and crossings were submerged, causing inconvenience to residents. Area 10 and 11 number depend mainly on Narmada water supply. The leak occurred near Fracture Hospital during regular water supply. Locals said the pipeline burst suddenly. Municipal teams later reached the spot to control the situation. Temporary disruption in water supply was reported in nearby localities. A major road accident took place near Manpur Bedu Ghat slope in Mau, close to Indore on Saturday morning. 7 vehicles including a truck, gas tanker and cars collided with each other. The accident happened when a speeding truck lost control on the slope. Due to the crash, traffic on the Mumbai-Agra National Highway was badly affected, leading to a long jam. Police reached the spot and cleared the vehicles. According to officials, no loss of life was reported, which came as a relief. However, the incident raised concern about speeding and safety on hilly road stretches. Madhya Pradesh is facing severe cold weather, especially in northern region. Dense fog and low temperatures are affecting daily life. On Friday night, minimum temperatures in 25 cities dropped below 10 degrees Celsius. Khajuraho in Chhatarpur district remained the coldest place for the second consecutive night. The temperature there was recorded at 3.6 degrees Celsius. Weather officials said cold winds and clear skies are causing the temperature drop. People are using heaters and bonfire to keep warm. Schools and morning activities are also being affected in many districts. The cold wave is expected to continue for the next few days.